Hey, welcome to Welcome Home Custom. Today we are going to review how to assemble our Monogram Wine Bottle Holder. Let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, let's review kind of what we're going to need. First, we're going to need to cut our file, obviously, and we'll go over those pieces in a second. Next, we're going to need glue. I use a silicone tray and a brush. I can link that in the description below. I'm using Titebond Ultimate Wood Glue. You can also use 3M for this project, but you're going to want to only put the 3M onto the cane. Do not put the 3M on the solid pieces. Okay, so we can see that going through this, these pieces go together, these pieces will go together. So this is your upright, and then your piece to hold your upright up. We have our larger upright along with the piece to stabilize the upright, and then the pieces to make it decorative. And then we have our base, the cane weave with the base and the rim. Okay, so I am obviously making the one without a monogram. There are several monograms included in the file as well, so you can pick one of those. Also note all the sizes. You can use a curve measurement tool to figure out what slot sizes you need for the project. Okay? Okay, we are all dry. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our upright that we've connected like this, and we are going to put it in the larger slot and this slot right here, facing this way. And then same thing on the other side, but with the keyhole and facing this way. Okay, then from here, all we're going to do is we're going to glue these bigger pieces onto the uprights. And again, this is to hide your slots. I don't like seeing slots. I will always hide them. So at least what I found is easiest for me. Now, again, you could be using 3M. 3M is probably the easiest thing to do, but I just dab my glue on like this, and then make sure my edges are okay. And then all I'm going to do is line up on the bottom. It should be flush with the piece, and then center it, and then hold it tight. Okay? Like that. Same for the other piece. We're going to blot it on. And then we are going to flip it around so you guys can see it. And we are going to line this up perfectly. This does not have the offset like the other upright does. So we just line that up like so. Okay? Then from here, all we need to do is add, I should probably clamp that while we're still going, just so it can dry. All right. From there, we're going to glue on our side pieces. Again, I'm just dabbing on. I could actually just take these two, kind of smush them together to share the glue. And then we are going to line them up on either side right here. Now, if they don't quite line up, that means I have them on backwards. So I'm going to take them, I'm going to flip them, and they should line up. Yep. So now they line up. All right. So that is your smaller side piece. And then last, we have our larger triangle piece that's going to glue right here. Okay. We are going to just dab on glue. We can share the glue together, and then we are going to line them up and glue them on. And that is how you assemble the wine bottle holder.